What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So we're actually at Asbo Autos yet again with the absolute wizard yesterday that fitted my clutch. Now inside this box, courtesy of Direnza, is something amazing for the Focus. So what we're going to do is we're going to open that now, show you exactly what it is, and we're going to go inside and get it fitted. You won't be disappointed. Stay tuned. GCM the PT, roll the intro. Peace. Look, got so much stuff. Lanyards. Corley, I'll be hooking you up with one of those. Yeah, boy. Oh my god, we've got loads of stickers. Direnza, thank you so much. Window banners. Loads of different stuff. Guys, this is Direnza. I'm going to pretend like I don't know what's in this box. But, long story short, I've got some t-shirts. What size are we dealing with here? We have a medium and a large. How large are these? That might fit. This will only fit you, Corley. Unfortunately, only one of these is going to fit us. So what I'll do is I'll try this one on. Right, watch this. What the hell? Yeah, wow, okay, so I'm going to put this one to the side just for a second, and we're going to open up the rest of this box. Oh my gosh. Right. Got some silicone hoses. Oh, amazing. I'm assuming part of a radiator pipe or an intercooler pipe. So that looks nice. Pop that down there for a second. A shitload of foam, some more pipes, it looks like a blanking plate of some form, some Jubilee clips. Come on guys, let me know in the comments what you think is actually in here, besides the t-shirts and loads of foam. What do we think is in this box? Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's even got Direnza written on the front. Should we take this out and see what it looks like? Oh wow. That is beautiful. Direnza, you have well and truly hooked me up. Guys, I'm going to link all of their details in the comment section below or in the description. You guys can go check them out. Don't get me wrong. I'm sure you're questioning its power figures. What we're going to do is we're going to dyno this and we're going to test it and put it through its paces, alright? So I'm going to put this down. We're going to take the car inside and we're going to get all these parts fitted, ready for big power next week. Possibility, it looks a little bit like it's come out a little apart.
Possible, yeah.
Has it?
Remount that clip and then
okay, yeah, we can do that.
Guys, so those of you that don't know, basically yesterday a lot of the viewers had commented that they're hearing the turbo chatter. Now, turbo chatter was already fucking flied. The turbo chatter was already there. Now, what I'm assessing is that there was a hissing sound. So you get the whoosh, on the induction kit, but there was a noise, which I'm assuming boost pressure leaked somewhere. So it could be the blanking plate. Could be something else, so we're going to assess that now and have a look and find out what's going on.
Hello. How's everyone doing today? Come Costa.
So look, this is the intercooler. The welds have been done nicely. It looks good, guys. It's quite thick, I'll give you an idea. That's looking good. My new baby. Thank you, Direnza. Right, come on. We need to have this a little bit taller, mate. We need to fucking get under it, mate. Look. Right, look. I'm a tall guy. Wait. Hold on. Hey, even my quiff can get under the car. Right, we're going to take all this out. And then we can get to the pipes and get this damn intercooler sorted. Corley, what are we doing to the car?
Intercooler.
You still get that kind of views even though that geezer's ginger there?
It's racist.
Oil leak, and now he's faced with like a grand bill.
Hold on, if you put that into context, you haven't found an oil leak on my car.
No, thank God, no.
You found it on another car.
On another car for a poor guy who's had the car 3 days. And yeah, it's got to be engine out, engine stripped. It's not good for him. But we'll see him right.
We'll see him right.
We're the people to do it. That's a bodywork technician move, that one. I know, I am one.
Well, it's had a bit of a crack, someone fixed it up with fiberglass.
Kind of says to me it's had a splitter on it. Someone's hit something and pulled the bottom of their bumper in half, just like I have.
Why is the bodywork guy watching?
Day off, mate. Been painting. I'm busy.
I'm glad that noise in the background, that massive racket's gone.
Yeah, sorry, that's the oven.
That's where magic happens.
I have to lower it down, mate. Yeah, I know, don't worry. Bear, suited to your height now?
Come on.
This is called the grill delete, when you don't need to be like everyone else and get the Sunsport grill. You just take it all out. Who needs a number plate anyway?
There we go.
What's that?
This is called Mark II ST Big Mouth. It's about time we get something in there anyway. What do you think? The awkward bolt that hides up here basically keeps this plastic trim in, so we're going to get that out. How small the standard intercooler is. If you look at that, right, so that's my fingers here. I'm going to take that and put it next to the intercooler. Look at the difference, guys. Put it this way, I'm going to put it into a context that you guys can understand. Imagine Corley goes for a run, right? He's chugging away, he's out of breath, because he's breathing through a straw. In effect, that is what's going on right now, is he's got a straw in his mouth, and when he's trying to make maximum potential, it's very difficult to do with a straw. Now, if you remove the straw and allow him to breathe through the mouth that he's actually got, I know this is a weird euphemism, he then is able to intake more oxygen, his VO2 max improves, and his performance will improve. So it's the same principle. Obviously, when you have a small intercooler like this, it's taking in a very small amount of air, it's keeping the engine not as cool as it could, and the big Direnza intercooler, just the same as Airtec and any other one, is going to make a big difference. Now, they say between 20 and 30 horsepower, so hopefully removing this will be all good. So we'll take it out and we'll go from there.
These are a bit rusty.
Well, it could have been if the banjo bolt was the problem and not the block. Yeah,
You're so mean.
I know, I know.
Alright.
You bunch of weirdos. Mind you, we're not reusing this pipe, are we?
No.
But we'll throw that away anyway.
Where he swings back and catches him in the face.
Oh, sorry.
I like the Direnza products. Fitted some good wheel spacers and other products over the years from Direnza. I've had a few people with STs that have recommended the product, so nice to be fitting their product in-house for a change.
Yeah, for sure. I'm just looking forward to getting this tiny one out and getting the big one in. That's the way.
Everyone
size
likes it
does
big.
matter, and oi, right, size does not matter. Now I sound like I'm getting defensive.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's the denial thing going
Oh,
on,
well.
isn't it?
Why are you going
fair,
to
if you let them know beforehand that you're going to be disappointing, then they're not disappointed.
That is true. That is true. That's become common practice with me over the years.
Yeah.
Love. It's going to be disappointing. Don't get excited over this. It's too cold, mate. You need to give it some more shit. You would have thought you'd get it hot with that little intercooler. Time for Direnza, baby.
There we go. It's off. Finally.
Size her up against the bad boy Direnza.
Guys, look at the difference.
Quite a bit smaller, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Big difference.
It's got to be, what, 1.5 times bigger, isn't it?
Yeah, it's ridiculous size comparison.
And thickness as well.
Girth is important in this particular situation. Yeah. Crazy. Anyway, let's go put it on the car.
It's the lower pipe goes underneath. That replaces that one. And a bigger bore as well. So we'll get that one off.
There we go. It's a much larger pipe, this, guys. Much bigger bore as well, so we've actually had to take out both. Just lining it up now, make sure it all fits properly, which I'm sure it does. There we go. Having all this then, does that not make it much better for turbo chatter? Because I know that obviously getting more air into it's going to sound mega, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely going to improve it. The big improvement I found is the crossover to turbo pipe, which is down the back here, has a filter in it. If you remove that and put a normal silicone one in, that releases a lot more sound and everything makes it sound a lot better.
Okay. Do you know roughly what they cost?
I think they're about £60–70.
Perfect. Sounds good.
100% sure, might be cheaper than that.
I'm game to get that done for sure. Obviously, even comparing these pipes from standard to uprated, guys, this is where the blanking plate goes, so that's a direct replacement of that hose as well. Obviously, I need to get that sorted anyway, so that should be decent.
You pay 1,500 quid.
They've been out a lot of times and they're quite easy.
Yeah, right. Start earning some negative money, on that with my car, just selection,
What's that?
Found a crack in one of the pipes.
What pipe?
But it's fine, it's being replaced courtesy of Direnza.
Oh, lovely.
Explain what this tool is, I've never seen that before. Oh, there we go.
It's designed for squeezing up these particular clips.
Get her out.
Where the screwdriver is right now, there's a huge crack.
You'll soon see. That's your old one.
Seems okay.
It's a bit perished now.
Yeah, it's not the best, guys. It's fine, we've got a new one. More turbo chatter on the way. Any damage on that one?
I don't think so. I think it's just the way it's the moulding on the plastic.
Yeah, that makes sense. It does look a little bit dodged from inside, but obviously now we've got it out, I can tell it's not too bad.
Oh, yeah.
Right, so we found your pipe off here. That'll be causing your hissing noise and your reset valve not to be working properly. So we'll pop that back on.
Honestly, guys, if you're local to Devon and Cornwall and whatnot, please come down to Asbo. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying in any way any garage is better than any other, but what they do know and what they do have is experience with focuses. Now every garage you're going to go to is going to have knowledge on cars, but these guys benefit from not only having hybrid turbo focuses, but you know, years and years and years of working with these cars, so they know exactly what needs to be done to your Mark II Focus.
That's your new bone.
Nice and tight.
See the love your car's getting, effectively he's cuddling your front panel right now. His arms right round it.
At least he's getting a cuddle. Who are you getting a cuddle from?
No one. My missus is at home getting angry because I'm not there.
Nice nuts here, so it won't come undone once you do them up. It's always a positive.
Go on, Direnza.
Big strong clips.
Are you cutting something then just to fit the pipe in?
Yeah, just this clip off, doesn't get used, so gets this pressure on there, stop it wearing through.
A lot more clearance in there now for sure. Much better, isn't it? What's all this about?
Coming for a full respray. Waiting on a new bonnet for it. Not exactly running great. I was just having a look to see if there's anything obvious as to why it runs like a dog.
Just to disconnect the horn to allow for the intercooler to fit up now.
You're going to relocate it somewhere else?
Yeah.
Finally, it's all fitted, all set and done, thanks to the wizard. I will shake your hand on camera, show some respect. There we go. So we need to get the under tray back on, which is down here. I've also put that back on. Now you can see Direnza through there. Alright, so we're going to get the under tray back on and get the car down and see how it, see how it sounds. That's it, intercooler's all fitted, courtesy of Direnza. All the pipes are in. Next, obviously, in the next couple of days, we've got the crossover pipe to do. We've also got the down pipe and a few other bits. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, you just about see it in there. No, that's good. Again, big thanks to this dude here. Despite the ginger banner, he's actually really good at his job. And I've stuck a little Direnza sticker on there. Thought that looked quite nice. Should we start her up? Yeah. Don't kill my engine, it needs to be warm. What is that creaking noise? That's what it is. Right guys, we're all set, intercooler's done. Big thanks to Direnza. I'm going to be putting this intercooler through its paces, taking it to bevo tuning and getting it tuned to see how much power it makes. We'll see what your products are like. So guys, what we're going to do now, we're going to drive home, see if the resuck's sounding good. We're going to go through the tunnel and do some pops and bangs. Enjoy, we'll see you shortly. Excuse me, can you move the escort please so I can go? Cheers mate. Bugger off. Go on, get away. Get the side skirts back in the car. Hey, stop! How dare you? The bits. Get those in. They're gonna make a fucking mess of everything, aren't they? Get them in there, just like that. God, that resuck sounds good. Wow. Honestly guys, such a difference to before. It gives those from the induction kit, but also it's, and then it's like a
A little whine.
A whine and a cross between a dump, but not. It's hard to explain, but it sounds so good. So much more air is going into the system now, so it's so much more responsive. We're still in town, so 30-mile-an-hour speed limit. We're going to go up here and get some good pulls. All right. It's 4th gear pull. First off, it's popping at like every opportunity. I'll come around here and let's try it now. Hear the little bangs, the little crackles.